Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing or unpackaging rather to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here. This was sent by D. I'm sure we'll find out more once we're inside. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can check out my Patreon by finding the link right down in the description. Your support means the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Yeah, here it is. That's the that's where the potatoes are. That's where the beans are. Okay, we've got another package. And once we get down to packaging like this, I'm a little hesitant to cut into it because I don't know where the contents is. All right, we've got a... Oh, yeah, that's right. Yep. There's a bunch of... There's a lot of cold steels I need to look at very soon. Oh, this is one that I... honestly, so I remember this. The viewer who messaged me, it was he thought I was asking about a different model. He thought I was asking about this, and I was asking about a different one, and he said, oh, no, I'm sorry. What I have here is the, I think this is a Cold Steel Airlight, and because, well, it says right on the box. Yeah, I think, let's see if we can. Airlight drop point. Yeah. I've never looked at this, but I've seen a bunch of other channels look at this, and I thought, it's a cold steel that's, like, thin and not super aggressive and lightweight. And it's got the, this is G10. Okay, well, right off the bat, what's a steel? AUS 10. Interesting. I like this way more than I thought that I would. When I heard Airlight, I don't know, I never really took a close look at this. I honestly never did. I just thought, okay, it's a Cold Steel's doing another... you know, super lightweight version of one of their other knives or what, I don't know. I never paid attention to it. But now that I've got it in hand, I really like this. The ergonomics are awesome. This is a triad lock. And we've got Austin. I have no idea what this costs. I will link this right down below. A lot of you guys know the situation with Cold Steel right now. They have sold to another company, the details of which I can't speak on because I don't work for Cold Steel, and you can read about the actual information or find out factually what's going on by checking out, you know, the Cold Steel Instagram page, checking out their website. I don't know where all the details are, and I don't know if all the details are actually out there yet. Now, I have no idea how this will translate to their product line moving forward. Absolutely no idea. All I know is that I'd like to get my hands on as many pre-transition manufactured knives as possible through Cold Steel so that I can take a look at them and be able to accurately compare and contrast. Where's the upward inflection supposed to be? Anyways, this is pretty cool. Boy, that edge is... Woo! Boy, that edge is nice and nice and thin. Is that... this edge may have been done after the fact. But that's okay, because the spine is thin, I can kind of guess about where it was. Cold Steel pretty much does a good factory edge. It looks like maybe the owner just decided he wanted to change this up a bit. Can I... Yeah, you can totally flick this. Can I reverse flick it? Ah, come on. Kind of. See if I can do it without wrist. I still want to... Yeah! Oh, man, if this is Skyrim, it'd be like level up one-handed. I like the pocket clip. This is interesting. I didn't know this is G10. I just thought it would be that this is what I thought it would be. Like this. I thought it'd be this material, which is funny because this is an SR1 light, and it is not, you know, when I think of light, you know, that I know they spell it L-I-T-E, but it makes me think it's actually going to be lightweight. It's funny. Huh. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like the idea of a thin, lightweight, kind of more compact profile knife from Cold Steel that still has the strength of the triad lock. Very straightforward. This is pretty promising. Yeah, definitely. I'll link this guy if it's still available. I don't know if it's still available. This guy right down below, as well as Cold Steel knives in general. I would be looking at cold steel knives that are currently at retailers right now. I don't know how long we have before newer stuff comes. And honestly, maybe the new stuff is going to be exactly the same. I don't know. All I can do is speculate, that they said that all the newer things were, that there wasn't going to be a change in quality. I think, am I right in assuming that? I am assuming, right? I don't know that factually. I just remember something about that. In any case, that's what I'm currently thinking. Anyways, pretty cool. Is there a note? Do I have a note in here somewhere? Hang on. I don't think we do. I don't think we have a note. Well, anyways, D, if you're watching this, please send me an email. Let's make sure we know exactly which person this is going to need to go back to. But anyways, thank you so much for sending it. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.